Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Muhammad. Metric number is AA191164. And today, we will present to you about our microcontroller project. And we will go into the first slide, which is the team roles. And for our leader, which is Amir Irfan bin Ghaffar. And for the programmer for our team is Muhammad Zuhriman bin Mazlan. And for the report and analysis, we is myself and Abdul Adi bin Abdul Wahab. Next, we will go into the next slide, which is the project background or the problem statement of this project. The Tesla industry has not witnessed the growth in the field of technology that allows the industry to make the mechanism accessible to the world in the most optimal way, and that is mainly automations in the textile industry, manufacturing sector altogether. Our primary project, our primary objective is to bring the automation to the fabric folding technology used in the textile manufacturing industry. In addition to the automated cloth folding mechanism, we intend to implement more automations as well. This will guarantee the full automation of the textile industry that it has. It was missing in order to add flexibility and, more importantly, and cost efficiently to the system. The system will be built with the latest material and component available without any large volume adjustment. The implementation of the whole assembly can be easily combined with the existing frameworks being used in the industry. I will pass for the next slide to my team members. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abdul Hadi Abdul Wahab. My matrix number is AA101229, and I will present the flowchart of the system for my group. And we start and reset the value of the button 3 is equal to switch 3. And if the button 3 equal the last button 3 is false, it will end, but is true is true if the button 3 not equal to height is false. If it's false, it will end, and the true is ms1 turn to 180 degree and back to 0. Also ms2 turn to 100 degree and back to 0, and ms3 turn to 180 and back to 0, and end. That's all. And for the cost analysis table, we use 6 items for this analysis table. Arduino Uno, we use 1, and item price is RM 30 ringgit, and total price is also 30 ringgit. Resistor 1 kilo ohm, quality is 1 also, 10 cent, and total price is also 10 cent. And the push button we use 130 cent, also the total price 130 cent. Servo motor we use 3 servo motor in this project. So the item price is 6 ringgit, and the total price is 80 ringgit. Breadboard we use 1 breadboard. Item price is 20 ringgit and 50 cent. Also the total price is 20 ringgit and 50 cent. And we use wire. We use wire 1 2 ringgit and 50 cent per 1 meter per meter, and total price is 7 ringgit 50 cent. So the total price for this project is 55 ringgit and 40 cent. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Zulhilman bin Mazlan, bernombor matriks AA191311. Saya akan menerangkan tentang Rajalita dan juga coding untuk projek cloth folding machine ataupun mesin lipat baju lah, yang projek yang kumpulan saya telah pilih. Seperti yang anda boleh lihat di sini, saya telah membuat Lita ini menggunakan Tinkercad. Dalam Lita ni saya menggunakan 3 servo motor, 1 push button, 1 resistor dengan nilai 1K dan juga Arduino Uno R3. Sambungannya adalah basic saja. Sambungannya kepada Arduino 5V sebagai power, sambungan ground. Untuk servo motor pula sambungannya juga mudah saja, cuma power, ground dan wire signal lah ke pin digital. Begitu juga dengan push button, saya menggunakan pin 6. Baik, itu untuk Rajalita. Sekarang kita bergerak kepada bahagian coding. Baik, untuk menghidupkan sebuah servo motor, kita kena tambah library iaitu servo.h. So lepas kita masukkan library, kita boleh declare kita punya nama servo. Kemudian di bahagian void setup, kita kena declare kita punya servo tu pada pin berapa. Untuk kita kena declare servo tu pada pin berapa. Macam saya buat macam ni, ms1.attach 3. Maksudnya saya punya servo motor yang pertama adalah pada pin yang ketiga. Macam tu. Dan pada bahagian loop, saya menggunakan condition, di mana condition yang saya buat, jika benar condition itu, maka sistem akan berfungsi lah. So condition tu maksudnya saya buat satu condition, bila mana push button ditekan, maka servo motor akan berputar mengikut darjah yang telah ditetapkan lah. Kemudian saya akan buat sedikit demonstrasi lah macam mana sistem ni berfungsi. Baik, bila saya onkan saja, servo motor ni akan secara automatik dia akan berputar 90 darjah. Maksudnya kalau sistem kita on saja, ada power saja, servo motor tu akan berputar 90 darjah. Maksudnya setiap bahagian tu akan ternaik lah, tegak. Maknanya kalau dia ternaik tegak, maksudnya servo motor kita berfungsi dengan baik. Bila saya tekankan push button ni, maka yang bahagian yang menegak tadi, bahagian yang pertama, iaitu pada servo motor yang pertama, dia akan berputar daripada 90 kepada 180 dan kembali kepada kosong. Macam tu juga untuk servo motor yang kedua dan servo motor yang ketiga. Sebab saya untuk mesin lipat baju ni, kami cuma menggunakan 3 kali lipatan. Maksudnya cuma 3 servo motor yang diperlukan. Kembali kepada kosong, 180 kosong, 180 kosong. Sekali lagi, lipat kepada 180, patah balik. Ya, semudah itu saja. Jadi saya rasa itu saja daripada saya. Sekian, terima kasih.
Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning everyone. So my name is Amir Irfan bin Ghaffar, and right now I'm going to continue our group presentation. I'm going to present about a brief discussion about our folding automatic machine. Okay, so first of all, of the problem faced. The first problem is to lift the folding stuff, the motor must be strong enough. Okay, for your information, the motor must be strong enough because we need to rotate for the 180 degrees. okay, to fold this machine. That's the first problem. The second problem is the motor must be not high in price and easy to control by the microcontroller at the same times. Okay, if we look, why we say the motor must be not high in price, because if we look at the first objective, we want to help the housewife and the community, so we need to make sure the price is not high, so it can be buy by all of the community for the product. Okay, the third one is the material should not be heavy, so it will be difficult for the motor to lift. Okay, if we look, the third point is relate for the first point. Okay, the first point is the motor must be strong enough, so it have no ralat in the rotation. Same with the material. The material should not be heavy, so the motor can lift the product in the right way. Okay, the fourth one is how to connect the folding material to the motor, since anything like a gear device must be connected to the shaft so that it can be joined to the polystyrene. So everything in this product must be connected right way, so it will avoid the error. Okay, so the next one is the commercialization. For the commercialization, we choose pitching as a platform to commercial our product. For example, okay, before that, I will explain why we use pitching. Because pitching is one competition that gather all of the company, the big company that was looking for sponsor. Okay, so all of the innovation product we present their benefit of the product. So if the company is like our product, so he will choose us, and then we will get a sponsor and we use the company name to sell our product. So this is the fastest way to commercial our product. Okay, so if we look, we have many platform to commercial product. For example, is the Pencipta UTHM. Pencipta UTHM has been made last year, so I think for this year it will be for the June. And the second one is innovation. The third one is innovation competition USM. Okay, for the second one is innovation as 1.0. It has been made at UITM. So that's for the commercialization. Okay, so the last one is the conclusion. Okay, so the conclusion is the cloth folding machine can detect the percent of the cloth which is placed on the board and fold it a neat way. Okay, so it can be easiest way, so it's achieve the objective. Okay, so it can save time because the clothes when we put at the machine is auto fold. Okay, so that the easiest way lah. Okay, the second one is the project has also developed with the aim of the automation in textile industry using the help of the Arduino and DC gear motor proposed model. Okay, so we are going to use the Arduino and DC gear motor, so the cheap way to help the textile industry lah. Okay, so the last one is the project also low manufacturing cost and minimum complication in design. Okay, so we have achieved our first objective is to help the community, exactly like a housewife. So we need to sell this product in a low manufacturing cost and the minimum complication in the design. So everyone can use the product, so we can help the community and everyone in this place. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you.